everybody, welcome to session number 2 with CANS. So today we're going to be thinking about different activities that we can do with CANS, and this is what we're going to be looking at today. So I'm just going to come a little bit closer so you can see. So we're going to be using the CANS to do different exercises, and each exercise we do we're going to do 10 times. So the first one's going to be some toe taps, so 10 toe taps, 10 star jumps, 10 in and outs, 10 hops or jumps, and 10 lifts. So there's some things you can do to challenge yourself with these activities, and I'll show you how you can challenge yourself. But once again, we're just going to use CANS, okay? So I'm going to put this on here just as a little reminder, because sometimes when I'm exercising, I forget what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get my CANS. And the first activity is going to be the toe taps. So I get my feet about shoulder width apart. I'm going to place my CANS where my feet are, okay? I'm going to keep myself nice and straight. And the toe taps are going to be using opposite hand to opposite toe. So my right hand is going to go to my left toe. And I'm going to do the same with my left hand to my right toe. And I'm going to do that 10 times, okay? So try and do 10. If you want to do 10 on each side, you can. Or if we just want to start off with 5 on each side, that is also fine, okay? So we're trying to get ourselves nice and straight, legs nice and straight, and using our opposite arm, stretch down, and you might be able to feel it around the back of your legs. Once we've done that, we're then going to do some star jumps. Now here, I might get my CANS a little bit wider just to challenge myself. So I'm going to move my CANS out a little bit more, okay? I'm just going to do 10 star jumps. So each time I do a star jump, I need my feet to go as wide as my CANS. So I go out, and I'm going to do that 10 times, okay? If you want a bit more of a challenge, you can move your CANS a little bit further apart. So once I've done my 10 star jumps, I'm then going to do my in and outs, okay? So legs shoulder width apart again. I'm just going to use one CAN, okay? Now there's 2 things I can do here. I can either start to go round my body, and if that's a little bit tricky, you might want to move your feet a little bit closer together. Or for a bit of a challenge, you might want to go in between your legs. So passing that CAN to your hand, in between your legs. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. So going round in the middle, round the front of my left leg, on the back of my right, and making a number 8 on the floor. Sideways number 8. Okay, so that's going to be the in and outs. And then, after that, I'm going to do the hops or jumps. So again, make my CANS nice and far apart. Now I'm going to start off with some hops. So I'm going to hop from one leg to the other. So I'm going to hop onto my left leg, and jump over to my right CAN. Try and jump onto one other leg. Lift your other leg up. To make it a bit trickier for a challenge, you might want to do some jumps. So you're side jumping from one side to another. And I'm going to do 10 of those, and then I'm just going to remind myself of where I'm up to, because I've already forgotten. So once I've done that, I'm then going to do 10 lifts with my CANS. So you need to make sure you've got lots of space between your ceiling and you. So I'm going to move away from my lights, because they're going to hit those. CANS in your hands. Okay, we're going to lift our CANS up 10 times. Trying to keep our posture nice and straight. Tuck our tummies in. Nice good core strength. And then that will complete our circuit. For a challenge, see how many of those sessions you can do. How many circuits can you do? Good luck.